Today we are going to learn the SST pedagogy. Pedagogy means the art and science of teaching. In SST, social science, it focuses on how students understand history, geography, civics and economics in a meaningful way rather than rote learning. Science of teaching of social science teaching means what to teach, how to teach and why to teach. And right content plus right method plus right purpose plus effective teaching. Pedagogy is equal to teaching methodology. Social study is the study of society. School lay foundation for the children about the nature of democracy. Even though school play indirect role in the social change, social study subject should cultivate social, moral, ethical and spiritual value. The subject deal with the man and his multilateral relationship, man to man, man to his neighbor, man to society, etc. Social study drew its material from history, geography, socioeconomic, and sociology. Let's see the SST teaching approach. In social study, we have to take care about the child. So, child-centered learning, activity-based teaching, learning content with real life, inquiry-based learning, why and how, interdisciplinary understanding, history plus geography plus civics. In social study, draw it material from history, geography, social, economic, and sociology. In social study, the emphasis is upon relationship rather than upon individual. It deals with the social activity rather than individual activity. It trains the student to solve this problem and to adjust in democratic society. It not only gives knowledge about the past and the future, but explain the relationship between these two. It helps the individuals to develop the necessary social skill and attitude necessary for the society. Knowing about the past history and the way of life of the people in the past, student will be able to analyze the past situation and make necessary improvement for the present. Next point is our importance of teaching method in social study. In social study, we have teaching methods like maps and atlas work for understanding the geography. And group discussion is very important to aware civic awareness. And role play or drama is a historical event learning. Project method means real life social issue, and question answer method means concept clarity. These are the important teaching method in social study, and we have to take care about the child centered learning. And now let's see the teaching aids in SST: maps, globes, charts, timeline chart history, model and flashcards, ICT tool, video, PPTs, etc. These are the teaching aids in SST, so children understand in real life and remember for the long time. Now we will see the Bloom taxonomy is very important with the CTET exam. Remembering means retain and recall information, retreat, memorize and duplicate, repeat and identify. And understanding means concept. Understanding means grasp the meaning of something, explain, phrase, report, describe and summarize. And applying, use in the real life. Apply means use existing knowledge in a new context, practice, calculate, implement, operate, use and illustrate. Now we will see the analyzing. Analyzing means compare events, explore relationship, cause and connections, compare, contrast, characterize, organize, distinguish, etc. and all. Evaluating means judgment. Make judgment based on sound analysis, assess, judge, defining, prioritize, critics and recommends, etc. And last, creating project and models. Use existing information to make something new, events, develop, design, compare, generate and construct. Role of teacher. In SST, role of teacher means facilitator, not just lecturer. Encourage critical thinking to students. connect subject with the daily life, interdisciplinary learning, and promote discussion and curiosity in students to learn the SST and learn the past and don't repeat in the future. Assessment in SST means oral questioning, map pointing test, project and assignments. Now let's see the exam tip. In SST pedagogy, questions in CTET are mostly based on methods of teaching, Bloom taxonomy, child-centered education and teaching aids. So complete this topic to tackle the exam.